Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to add background images on a Microsoft PowerPoint. So let's start my video. First of all, go to your PowerPoint slides, and here all you have to do is right click on the slide and go to Format Background here. And here you can see the option Picture or Texture Fill. Just click that option, and here you can see Picture Source. Just click the Insert option here, and you can see different types of options that you can import your picture from, like your device or from the net or from your drive. So I'm gonna insert it from my PC, and now just all I have to do is select the picture that I want to insert and just select it. And as you can see, the picture is added on my slide, and I can also change the transparency on the picture by sliding this down, up and down. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you, and I will catch you guys in the next video.